Hi all, this is Rajeshwar from ECC section. My topic is decision making statements. Introduction of decision making statements in C. Also known as control statements. Controls the flow of execution. Executes program until a specified condition is met. One of the most important parts in programming. Decision making statements in C. If statement, switch statement, conditional operator statement, go to statement. If statement. The expression must evaluate to true or false. The statement can be group of statements in braces. Syntax. If statement 1 semicolon statement to semicolon in between the curly braces. Example: main function int n printf enter your age. Scanf percentage of d modulo division of d comma and n. If n is greater than or equal to 20, printf uline you are in your adulthood. Get ch. Then we get the output. Enter your name. Enter your number. Example for a enter any number 25. You are in your adulthood. We get output as this. If else statement, an extension version of if statement, generally in the form of if text expression. If with in between curly braces, true block statement, else false block statement. Let's see example for that. Float of float a comma b comma c void main in void main in between curly braces float a comma b comma c comma d r1 comma r2 printf enter coefficients of a comma b and c scanf division of f division of f comma division of f and a and b and c d is equal to b star b minus 4 star a star c. If d is equal to 0, R1 is equal to minus b by 2 star a. Printf new line roots are equal and is modulo division comma 3f comma R1. Else if d is greater than 0, d is equal to square root of d. R1 is equal to minus b plus d by 2 star a. R2 minus b minus d by 2 star a. Printf boolean roots are real and r1 is equal to modulo division dot 3f comma r2 is equal to modulo division dot 3f comma r1 comma r2. Else d is equal to square root fabs of d. Printf new line roots are imaginary. Printf new line r1 is equal to modulo division dot 3f plus type modulo division dot 3f minus b by 2 star a comma d by 2 star a. Printf new line r2 is equal to modulo division dot 3f minus I modulo division dot 3f comma minus b by 2 star a comma d by 2 star a. Get ch. Nested if else statement. New block of if else statement defined in existing if or else block statement. Syntax is if condition in between curly braces again if condition statement else again statement again else again else statement. Switch syntax of switch statement. Switch variable case statements break case value to statements break default statements break. Here is the syntax of switch statements known as case labels and it should be constants or constant expressions. Example is into main character operator float first number comma second number printf enter an operator plus comma minus scanf modulo division of c comma and operator printf enter two operands scanf modulo division of f, comma modulo division of f, and first number and second number. Switch operator case plus printf modulo division plus f modulo division of f plus modulo division of f is equal to modulo division of f. First number comma second number comma first number plus second number. Break case minus printf modulo division minus of f minus modulo division of f is equal to modulo division of f. First number comma second number comma first number minus second number. Break default printf error operator is not correct. After inputting a weird output of enter any operator plus or minus, we can do anything. Here we take minus example. Enter two operands 6 and 4. We get 2 as an answer. Here we use minus operator. No, then we get then two numbers are subtracted and we get 2 as an answer. The question mark operator, known as conditional operator, used for making two-way decisions. Syntax: conditional expression exp1 colon exp2. Example for that is void main int a printf enter the number scanf modulo division of d and a modulo division of 2 is equal to 0 question mark printf even semicolon printf odd get ch enter a number. We get if your number is example is 7, we get odd and enter a number 8. 8 is a even. The go to statement, rarely used statement, provides an unconditional jump from go to a labeled statement in the same function. Syntax: go to label statement, label statement, go to label. It is a forward jump and it is a backward jump. Requires label to identify the place where the branch is to be made. Example is void main float y comma x create printf new line enter the number scanf modulo division of f comma and y. If y is less than 0, go to read x is equal to square root of y. Printf new line square root of modulo division of f gives modulo division of f new line y comma x. Go to read. We get output enter a number 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Thank you. Thank you all.